3 tips to help you find your next job on LinkedIn. So go to the top of your LinkedIn screen and click on the Jobs tab. So you will see a screen that looks like this, and you'll see recommended for you down here. So let's go up to the search box and it says search by title, skill or company. So I would like to search for a role as a project manager, and I'd like to search for one in Belfast in Northern Ireland. So I'm going to type in Belfast, Northern Ireland at the top, and it's showing me now jobs within 40 kilometres in Northern Ireland. So maybe I want to look at ones that have been posted in the last week. So click on past week and it will narrow it down for me to 441 jobs. So these jobs at the very top are promoted. You'll see the little promoted sign down here. So let's scroll down and see if there is a role that we would be interested in applying for. So scroll down and we see that here we have project manager in Belfast for BT. So I'm going to click on this job here and you'll see lots of information about the job here. Now you might notice that 13 of my connections work here and 57 people who went to my university also work here. So let's scroll down through the role. Here is the role here, the responsibilities. This looks like a job that I would like to apply for. Excellent. Okay, so what I want you to do then is tip number 2 is go and look at the company page for this company. So up here, you don't realize these are clickable links, but when you go to the company name and click on it, it will take you to the company page for the company that you want to apply for. So, oh, that's good, ranked on LinkedIn top companies. So we have 13 connections that work here. And what I want to do is, before we go to step 3, just have a look down on their company page and see, is this the kind of company you would like to work for? So this is called the Life tab, and this appears on larger organizations and companies. So not the small companies who have maybe 10 to 15 staff. This is for larger organizations on LinkedIn. So what is life like at this company? You can see trending employee content, life as a graduate, what programs do they offer? So lots of information for potential recruits. Excellent. So step 3 then is let's see if we can find a way into this company. So what I want you to do is click on people, and this will show you the people who work at this company. So 70,000 employees, that's quite a lot. So why don't we narrow those down by United Kingdom? And then I want to type in here, I'm looking for a project manager. So I wonder, is there anybody in the United Kingdom already working as a project manager at this company? 3,496. So what we do is we scroll down below the locations and the universities, and it says people you may know who work at this company. So these people down here are project managers at BT who have shared connections with me. So what I want to do is, there's one who had 15 shared connections. That looks like a good one. There's one with 20. Okay, let's go with Lorraine. So we'll click on Lorraine's profile. We don't want to click on the connect button because it will send a connection request straight away. What I want you to do is click onto the person's profile, and then we can send that person a message. They are active on LinkedIn, which is excellent. She's been working there for a year and a half. So why not then send her a message? Now, if you have LinkedIn Premium, you should be able to send one for free using InMail. But if you don't, then click on connect and send a message to this person saying, I'm interested in looking at the project manager role at BT. I see that this is something you are currently working in, and I wondered if you had any tips or suggestions for me. Or if you don't want to do that, contact one of these mutual connections and ask them, could they introduce you to this person? Giving you a warm lead and a warm introduction to the company. So number 1, find the job using the jobs tab. Number 2, check out the company. Do you actually want to work there? Number 3, find out if there's somebody who is connected to you through your connections or your university, being a school alumni, and reach out to them and ask them if they wouldn't mind sharing some tips or advice about that role, and see whether it is the right job for you. And good luck with your applications and your job seeking on LinkedIn.